What's up, guys? This is Will with Furnerology, and I have to make this video. I have to come out with another Pixel 3 XL video this close to October 9th, which is Tuesday, when the actual phone gets released by Google. Alright, this is beyond crazy. So, a story just came out with the Engadget, right? An actual video that has Engadget buying a Pixel 3 XL, alright? Already buying it. The phone hasn't been announced and will not be announced for 2 more days, okay? The phone was bought in Hong Kong. The price, $2,030, give or take US dollar, blah, blah, blah exchange. Engadget actually has a video. It's out. You can see it. Clear HD video of the phone. This is beyond crazy. Beyond crazy, okay? Let's just go over a few things about the video. I'm sure you've all seen it. If you haven't, go to Engadget's page and take a look at that video, because why not? There's 100 billion videos out there of the Pixel 3 XL and the leaks and the Russian videos and all that great stuff, but this is just a fantastic video. Go check it out. So, in the box, what we see is let's start off with the 18-watt power adapter Type-C. Alright, so we should have the fast charging just like the Pixel 2 XL. What else? We have the Type-C earphones. So we're going to get some earphones. I don't believe we had earphones in the Pixel 2 XL or even the Pixel. Don't think so. But again, this is going to be Type-C earphones, just like the iPhone does the Lightning earphones and all great stuff. It will come with the 3.5 millimeter dongle jack. That's 3.5 millimeter to Type-C in the box. And I guess that's basically it from what I can tell in that Engadget video of the actual unboxing of the device. Now, Engadget has checked out the IMEI. They say is legit a Pixel 3 XL. So there is just no surprises coming Tuesday, October 9th from Google. Alright, Engadget actually ran CPU-Z, which is a program that tells you all the internals, what type of camera, battery, all that great stuff. Look it up if you haven't tried out the application, download it. It's free. It's in the Play Store for any phone. Just try it out. What it says are these specs. So we have a screen that is 6.3 inches, a 1440 by 2960 OLED, and it has an aspect ratio of 18.5.9 by 9. That's all right. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Now the camera, we're going to talk about the front and the back. Back camera has a 12.2 megapixel that shoots at 4K 30 frames. The front, 2 8 megapixel cameras. One is a wide camera, and it shoots at only 1080p. Alright, take that for what it's worth. Internally, we have a Snapdragon 845, which we know is this year's processor, and in my previous video I went over the fact that that is BS. Google, you need to come out with the new and improve the best of the best, lead the way. What else? We have 4 gigs of RAM. Okay, I think this year is the year of 6. Given that we even have other phones that have 8 and all that great stuff, that's a rant for another day. But 4 gigs of RAM in this phone. The battery, okay, so the battery is actually up 6% from the Pixel 2 XL. We're looking at 3,732 milliamps in this battery. Okay, we're getting somewhere. It's not 4,000, but it's close. It's getting there. It's better than 3,500. Great. I'm all for that. We know that Android Pie 9.0 will be pre-installed in this phone, and it still has the Squeeze Google Assistant. So that HTC feature, the Squeeze, the Edge, is still there and will be present in the Pixel 3 XL. Guys, girls, We are only about 2 days away from the October 9th Google event. Nothing looks like nothing is going to get announced that's going to shock anyone. So this is it. This is the Pixel 3 XL. And then there's the Pixel 3. Guys, what do you plan on doing? Do you plan on buying this phone? Do you plan on waiting for the next deal on other phones? I know right now Samsung has a deal, I believe, going on, or will have a deal going on, where they can trade in the Pixel 2 XL, okay, the Pixel 2 XL, and get $400 back towards a Note 9. That's not a bad deal. That's something I might think about, give or take. And it is Samsung and bloatware and all that great stuff. And I know how you guys feel about Samsung. But, guys, enough with the rant. The main thing is, what do you plan on doing? Do you plan on buying the Pixel 3 XL? Comment below and let me know what you think. Until next time, guys, this is Will with Furnerology. And please, subscribe. Helps the channel out. Hope you guys, see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.